8 Early Signs of Cancer You Should Not Ignore. Cancer is one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and often it begins silently. But did you know your body may be sending subtle warning signs before a diagnosis? The key to fighting cancer lies in early detection, and recognizing these signs could make all the difference. In this video, we'll take you through 8 early warning signs of cancer that you should never ignore. These insights are designed to keep you informed and proactive about maintaining your health. Let's begin. Cancer can often be treated successfully if detected early. The body is an incredible system that frequently gives us clues when something isn't quite right. However, these clues are sometimes easy to miss or dismiss as minor issues. It's important to remember that while these symptoms could indicate cancer, they may also signify less serious health concerns. That being said, if you experience any of the following warning signs, especially if they persist or worsen, consulting a healthcare provider is essential. Now, let's break down these 8 critical signs in detail. Sudden, unintentional weight loss is a common warning sign of cancer. Losing weight without changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you drop more than 10 pounds, should raise a flag. This could be an early symptom of cancers such as pancreatic, stomach, esophageal, or lung cancer. While gradual weight fluctuations are normal, rapid or unexpected weight loss often signals that something is wrong within the body. Tumors can alter your metabolism or appetite, leading to lower food intake or increased calorie burning. If this happens to you, don't dismiss it as just stress or busyness. Seek medical advice as soon as possible. We all feel fatigued from time to time, especially with busy schedules, but cancer-related fatigue is different. It doesn't go away with rest and often feels overwhelming. This level of tiredness could stem from cancers like leukemia, where cancer cells disrupt the body's production of healthy blood cells, or colorectal and stomach cancers, which may lead to anemia. Persistent fatigue is one of the most overlooked symptoms because it is so common. However, if you're feeling consistently drained without an obvious cause, listen to your body. It might be signaling a deeper issue. Your skin can reveal a great deal about your internal health. Pay close attention to new or changing moles, lesions, discoloration, or wounds that don't seem to heal. Skin cancer, particularly melanoma, often begins with noticeable skin changes. However, skin changes aren't confined to skin cancer. Internal cancers, like liver or pancreatic cancer, might cause your skin or eyes to take on a yellowish hue, a condition known as jaundice. A persistent itch or rash can also occasionally be linked to certain types of cancer. Remember, your skin is your largest organ. Any lasting changes should be evaluated by a doctor. Never ignore a lump, swelling, or growth on your body, especially if it persists or grows over time. Lumps are most commonly associated with breast cancer, but they can also signal lymphatic cancers or soft tissue cancers. This includes swollen lymph nodes in the neck, armpit, or groin, which can indicate an immune response to infection, but may also be a sign of lymphoma or leukemia. Self-examinations go a long way, particularly in areas like the breasts, testicles, or underarms. If you notice anything that feels abnormal, even if it's painless, it's important to get it checked out immediately. A chronic cough lasting more than 3 weeks, especially if it's worsening, could hint at lung or throat cancer. Similarly, changes in your voice, such as hoarseness or a lower pitch, may indicate throat cancer or cancer affecting nearby nerves. These symptoms are often mistaken for seasonal allergies or mild infections, but persistence is the key indicator here. Even if you're a non-smoker, it's vital not to overlook these signs, as lung and throat cancers can develop in anyone. While most coughs aren't cancerous, if it persists or is accompanied by blood, don't hesitate to consult a doctor. Any unexplained bleeding should be taken seriously. blood in your stool or urine may be signs of colon or bladder cancer, respectively. For women, heavy or irregular bleeding between menstrual cycles could be linked to cervical or uterine cancers. Additionally, coughing up blood could suggest lung cancer. Bleeding may signal that cancer has caused tissue damage or inflammation in its early stages. Though other conditions, like infections or ulcers, can also cause bleeding, timely evaluation is crucial to rule out or confirm cancer. Struggling to swallow certain foods or even liquids might signal esophageal or throat cancer. This symptom is often accompanied by a persistent sensation of something being stuck. You might also notice unintentional weight loss because eating becomes uncomfortable or painful. Occasional difficulty swallowing due to a cold or sore throat is normal, but if this problem persists, it's critical to investigate further. Early intervention can significantly improve treatment outcomes in such cases. Your digestive system often reveals underlying health problems, including cancer, chronic discomfort, bloating, or irregular bowel habits, such as constipation or diarrhea, may be linked to colorectal or ovarian cancers. These symptoms might seem harmless at first, as they could easily be mistaken for a stomach bug or dietary issues. However, when they persist for weeks or increase in severity, it's important to discuss them with a healthcare provider. Cancers in the digestive tract often start small, but become aggressive if left untreated. If any of these symptoms resonate with you or persist for longer than 2 weeks, consult a healthcare provider immediately. It's crucial to emphasize that these signs don't always mean cancer, but they should never be ignored. Early detection saves lives, offering a far greater chance of successful treatment and recovery. By being proactive and attentive to your body's signals, you empower yourself to stay ahead of potential health issues. Regular screenings, checkups, and discussing unusual symptoms with your doctor are vital components of a healthy lifestyle. The purpose of this video isn't to cause unnecessary alarm, but to spread awareness. Recognizing these 8 early warning signs of cancer can help protect your health or the health of someone you love. Share this information with others. It could make all the difference for someone in need. Stay informed, stay proactive, and take care of yourself. Thank you for watching, and remember, listening to your body can save your life. Subscribe for more health tips, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up.